children, I hope you all are doing well. Myself Pooja, your computer teacher. We are just going to start the new chapter which is lesson number 3. Chapter number 3, Operating a Computer. Title says, how do we operate a computer? Students, in the previous chapter, we have learned about the parts and function of a computer. Now, let us learn how to use a computer. To start a computer, follow these steps. So now, let us follow the steps which we need to have our computer started. Number 1. Switch on the main power supply button. Firstly, children, we need to switch on the main power supply button. The main power supply button that will give current to the entire system of our computer. So remember, the first is to put on the main power supply button. Second, switch on the UPS button. Secondly, you need to switch on the UPS button. There is a UPS attached to each and every computer. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Even if the power supply goes off while you are working on a computer, the computer UPS gives us enough time to save our work so that it does not get deleted. It is so much required, isn't it? Otherwise, you will have to do entire work again. The entire painting, Papa Mama have to entire typing work again. So the UPS present with each computer. Number 3. Switch on the power supply button of the CPU. On the third point, we need to switch on the CPU button. We all know the CPU, the Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. So now, thirdly, it is our duty to put on the CPU. Number 4. Switch on the monitor button and wait for some time. The fourth point is to put on the monitor or the screen. There is a button at the bottom of the monitor. We need to put it on so that we can see our computer working. Students, you will enjoy using Windows as it is very easy to use. Windows is the most popular program that makes the computer work. Once a computer is switched on, the first display screen that you get is known as the desktop. So children, as we read through the chapter, it says that the first screen that appears on starting a computer is known as the desktop. So the first screen that you see is called a desktop, and this is how a desktop looks. The desktop holds many small pictures known as icons. Can you all see a desktop here? It has a start button at the extreme left corner, a taskbar at the bottom of the screen, and there are a few small icons on the desktop. The icons are the small little available files on your computer, files or programs. And in case you wish to see that what all is available in your computer, you need to put on the start button. As you put on the start button, there will be a menu bar that appears, and it will tell you whether your computer has Tux Paint or Simple Paint or Microsoft Excel, Word, and so on. We'll get to know about it later. Students, can you see only one thing when you look through your bedroom window? No, you can see different things from the window. When you peep through your room's window, you can see different views now. In the same way, you can open and view many programs in Windows like Paint, Movies, Music. And this is how the desktop also shows you different views. Starting a program. To open the WordPad window, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All programs. Step 3. Click on Accessories. And step 4. Click on WordPad. The WordPad window will be displayed. Title bar. The topmost blue bar of the WordPad window is known as the title bar. This is title bar. Resizing a window. You can change the size of a window. Look at the control buttons at the top right corner of the title bar. Look at this control button, that is minimize, maximize and close. Click on the middle button. The WordPad window will become small in size. Click again the middle button to get back to its normal size. Moving the window. Click on the middle button. The window will become small in size. Click and hold the left mouse button on the title bar. Drag the WordPad window to the right side. Now move the pointer over the desktop area. The title bar of the WordPad window turns gray. This means that it is not active, but you can read the items in the WordPad window. Now click once on the WordPad working area. The title bar turns blue. It means the WordPad window is active. How to shut down a computer. After your work is finished, you should always shut down the computer. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on the Shutdown option. Now, wait for some time till the computer turns off automatically. Then switch off the monitor button. Switch off the UPS button and the main power supply button too. Let me share computer care tips. Switching off the main power supply button directly without shutting down the CPU can harm the computer. So students, how did you find today's lesson? Interesting now? Yes. For now, you have to read page number 22, 23 and 24. Till then, a big bye to you. Thank you.